Hello everyone, I'm Ivy. Today I want to talk about a book I read recently. It's called The Critical Path Manifesto. It's written by my business school professor, Robert Kelly. I like this book a lot because it resonates with me very well and it gives me inspiration about the questions I've been thinking about lately. The first part of the book talks about what is critical path. According to Professor Kelly, the critical path is the connection between what the customers want and what the company provides to them. It sounds straightforward. Of course, companies provide something the customers want and get a profit because of it. But in reality, companies often offer what they think customers want instead of what customers really want. The reason behind the gap is companies don't really know about their customers. The second part of the book talks about the critical path starts with the customers and it shows how companies can get to know their customers. So I'll give an example of B2B companies. For B2B companies, first of all, they need to learn the macro economy of customers' business. So for example, what's the location of customers' business? What's the macro economy and the policy in that country? And the industry information. For example, what's the market size, the growth potential of the industry? Those information can indicate how competitive is customers' business, and sometimes it can give a hint about like why does customers may want a business, or why would customers want something in the future. And the third is customer's profile. So for example, the financial health of a customer and its market position. And then it comes to customer needs. So why do customers purchase the service or products? And what are the unmet needs? So for example, even though they buy your product right now, there may be something they want but you cannot offer. And these are the things that give you opportunity, but also it's a risk if you don't adjust customers' unmet needs, and your competitors may solve the problems better than you are. Although it's quite clear that every business should know their customers, but actually very few of them know their customers very well. But if businesses don't know their customers, how can they provide products or services that their customers really need? And later the book talks about how can company design themselves around the critical path. That includes 5 parts, including hiring the right people, have the good performance evaluation system in place, build a reward system for a critical path, and have the right organization culture and structure. In my opinion, each element is connected, and the change needs to start from the top management. So imagine if a company hired people with short-term focus and reward them based on their quality results. It's hard to expect them to have any long-term vision. In my work, I often have some ideas about how can the company improve themselves. Oftentimes I found it hard to connect the dots, and this book provides me a very good framework about what a company should or should not do. And everything should come down to whether increase revenue for the company or reduce cost, and everything needs to be measured in dollar amount. So it becomes very clear if a company has a chance to make their customers' business easier, such as easier implementation of new technology, or help customers discover growth opportunities, companies should by all means do it. On the other hand, if something is only related to internal methods, like writing better reports or have better format for those reports, it's not related to the critical path, and management should make things simple so their employees would have more time to focus on the critical path. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. I'll talk about how to get to know customers at scale with data-driven approach in my next videos. So stay tuned. See you next time. Bye.